guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how you can achieve a stunning full glam look without breaking the bank. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to maximize the potential of budget-friendly makeup products, proving that a professional look isn't about the price tag, but the technique. Whatever you're using, high-end or drugstore items, it's all about how you apply them. For step 1, a smooth canvas is key, so we'll start with a cleanser and moisturizer suitable for your skin type. To cleanse the face, I use micellar water from Dollar General with a dry disposable wipe. To moisturize the face, I use Pond's moisturizing cream. If you're on the oilier side, a little bit of calamine lotion before the primer can work wonders. To prime the face, I use Angel Veil primer from NYX. Moving on to brows, the MVP of framing your face. You want to brush them out with any spoolie. For the brows, I use the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. You want to outline those arches with any brow pencil that complements your hair color. Keep your strokes light and your hands steady. High-end looks don't matter to a low-cost tool, it's about precision and not the pencil. Next, you want to fill in the gaps starting from where they're sparsest. When it comes to brows, you always want to go for the ombre. It's light at the front, dark at the tail. It's not the pencils you want to focus on, it's your pressure. So you want to be feather light at the start and firmer toward the end. Here's where the magic happens. Concealer's your wand, whatever the brand is, it doesn't matter. For the concealer, I use the e.l.f. concealer in the shades Tan Sand mixed with medium neutral. Below the brow, you want to go light, and above the brow, go with your skin tone. Then you want to blend that concealer like your makeup depends on it, because it does. For the eyeshadow, I use Black Radiance Contour Powder Palette, both the medium and the deep one. So I basically just start light, go dark, and then on the center of the lid I'm going to be using highlighter to give it that neutral, full glam look. On the lid, I used the highlight Reloaded in the shade Pale Gold from Makeup Revolution. And for the liner, I'm just going to do a small wing liner using my Ruby Kisses liquid liner from the beauty supply store. Now it's foundation time. For foundation, I used Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shades 340 and 335. Any brush can buff that foundation into that primer if you've got the right touch. So you want to take time to tap the foundation into that primer. Don't drag the foundation. You want to keep things very smooth and even. Now it's time to conceal and highlight. You want to apply concealer on the bridge of the nose, the chin, forehead, and underneath the eyes. The key isn't in the kit, it's always in the blend, so you want to pat with the sponge to make that harsh line disappear. Remember, when you're using any type of beauty blender, you need it to be damp and not dry. To bake, I used the Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Powder. The next step is contour. So you want to contour with confidence. It's not about the powder, it's where you place it. To contour, I use the Juvia's Place Tan Contour Palette. Remember that dark shades sculpt and light shades lift. Now my favorite part is adding the blush. Blush is like adding warmth back into your face, so you want to put it on the apples of the cheeks and blend it into the temples. The blush I used is from IOC Cosmetics. It's black owned and very affordable. Always set your makeup with setting spray. It can be matte or dewy, pick your choice, and make sure that you're setting that makeup into the skin. To set the face, I use Makeup Revolution setting spray. Highlighter always goes on the highest points of your face, so apply it on the cheek and bridge and tip of the nose. A glow is a glow, cheap or expensive. To line the lips, I'm using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Mahogany. A liner is a liner, but I like to use concealer to prevent feathering. Gloss and lipstick should always be applied in the middle, then blend it into that brown liner. On the lips, I use Maybelline Superstay Liquid Lipstick in the shade Poet. In the glosses, I use NYX Butter Gloss Madeline mixed with Fortune Cookie, and I used a clear regular gloss on the lip liner. For the lips, you just need to make them kissable. Line, fill, then gloss. And there you have it, a super gorgeous full glam look that's easy on the pocket. Today we navigated a very affordable alternative that still gives you that high quality finish. Remember, the secret to unlocking the full potential of any makeup look, irrespective of its price, lies in the prep work, understanding your skin, and mastering your application skills. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty on a budget. Stay beautiful, keep practicing, and I'll see you all in the next video.